Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be having a comparison between VMware versus VirtualBox versus Hyper-V. Hi everyone, so today we will be reviewing the VMware versus VirtualBox versus the Hyper-V by Windows. So when it comes to virtualization in 2025, these three right here all serve different user needs. So first of all, VMware, it is still the gold standard for professionals thanks to its polished performance, advanced features, and reliable compatibility with a wide range of guest operating system, though it comes with licensing costs. Next one is VirtualBox. This one right here is being open source and free. Is the go-to for students, hobbyists, and developers who want a lightweight option that works across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. But it lags a bit in performance and enterprise level features compared to VMware. Meanwhile, or lastly, the Hyper-V. This one is the Microsoft, of course, built-in hypervisor for Windows Pro and Enterprise. Offers strong integration with Windows 10 or 11, with excellent security and efficient resource handling, making it great for IT admins and business use, though it lacks with cross-platform flexibility of the other two. So in short, VMware is best for professionals who need stability and performance. VirtualBox is best if you need a free and versatile, and Hyper-V is ideal if you're in a Windows-focused environment and want something already built in.